Welcome back to Master Your Money series by Neetu on Stage. Hey, this is Neetu Vijay Kumar, finance enthusiast, where we simplify money so you can take control of your financial life. And this is part 3 of our series. In the last episode, we understood why financial planning is necessary and why having a plan is very important. Now, let's take the next step, giving your money a clear direction. Let me ask you something. You want to save money, you want to invest, you want a better financial future. But do you have a clear goal? Or is it just I will save whatever I can? Money is not the problem. How we manage it is. And without clear goals, even good income and good investment won't take you anywhere. That's why setting financial goal is so important. A financial goal means giving your money a purpose, not just saving randomly, but saving for something specific. Let's break this into 3 simple types. Short-term goals, things you want in next 1 to 2 years, like buying a phone, a vacation, building an emergency fund. Medium term goal, that is the second one, 3 to 5 years, like buying a car or saving for a house down payment. And next is very important one, long term goals, 10 years and beyond, like your child's education or your own retirement. Now here is the mistake most people make. They do not prioritize. Everything feels important, so nothing actually gets done. You need to decide what is urgent, what is important, what can wait. For example, child's education is more important than upgrading your car. Your emergency fund is more important than your vacation. That's how you build financial stability. Now, let's make this even simpler using the SMART method, SMART. Means specific. Be clear about your goal. Not I want to save money, but I want to save rupees 5 lakhs. Measurable. You should track your progress. How much have you saved? How much is left? Achievable. It should match your income. Do not set unrealistic targets and are relevant. It should actually matter to your life, not just influenced by others. And T is time bound. Give it a deadline like in 3 years or in 5 years. Let's take a real example. Instead of saying, I want to save for my child's education, say this. I want to save rupees 10 lakhs in 10 years for my child's education. Now your goal is clear and your planning becomes more easy. That's the power of financial goals. They give direction to your money. Without goals, money gets spent. With goals, money gets built. In the next video, we will see how to actually plan your money to achieve these SMART goals. If you are ready to take control of your money, subscribe to Neetu on Stage on YouTube and follow on Instagram for more. And because at the end of the day, do not just earn money, master it. And that's what we are doing throughout the series, and share the series with those who care. See you in next video.